Hello there, I'm Geraldine Herbert. For most of us, buying a car is the most significant purchase of our lives outside of getting a mortgage. So it makes sense that we take good care of our vehicles. But you don't have to be a motoring journalist like me to know how to do that. In this video, I'll show you what you can do yourself at home to help keep your car running safely in between services. You need to make sure your vehicle is kept in a roadworthy condition at all times. It's the law. The NCT is a basic safety check and not a substitute for regular servicing. It's recommended that you get your vehicle serviced by a qualified mechanic at least once a year or every 15,000 kilometres, whichever comes first. But every car is different, so please refer to your owner's manual or contact the manufacturer for your vehicle's timelines. The RSA has developed this helpful guide and a number of video demonstrations to help you carry out basic safety checks on your vehicle in between services.